guys. So what we're doing now, we're going upstairs now. So finish the first floor. Yeah. So if you look how the first floor finished now, guys. Alright, so we'll go, I would double the plate them. We go upstairs. Yeah. So guys. Oh, it's gonna be a nice house, man. It's a big house in there, guys. It's a two family. Okay, this is from the back. That's at the back of the house. Yeah. So we'll get in there, guys. See, so we'll double the plate. So we're gonna do now, we're gonna start put on the plate on the second floor now. So that's the next move. We're gonna start now. Guys, it's a nice little community. So the place quiet, guys. They have a couple of houses. So the house them set around here. But it's a peaceful place. You know. Like up here, a lot of trees, calm, quiet, nice neighborhood, no noise. And not even hear a dog bark up at this neighborhood, man. Yeah. I tell you guys, this place so quiet and nice. So we get in there, guys. I keep you posted. Yes, guys. So I could do some work on top now. I wish I can set my camera for see. But guys, me just make a little step in, guys. You like this step? I just make a little step up. You know? Yeah. Yes, guys. So double all of the beam them now. You see, look now, all of the beam them have to be double. So, you see. So them call these things up at top now plate, guys. So we double the plate them. Everything done frame out. Yeah. Everything looking good, guys. Yeah. Yes, guys. So we'll get in there. Okay, guys. So just stay tuned, guys. Guys, we're on up at top now. Yeah? Oh, they do TikTok, man. This guy, so we're going from the second floor now, guys. Yeah? Yes, guys, so we're go upstairs now, guys. So we're up on second floor now. So, you know, well, right here going to be the living. Big open space that will be the living and the kitchen. So we're looking at it. Over the man. guys, so we're getting there. Alright, so we'll start put on the top now for the second floor. Day 5 we're going on, guys. So we'll start now, guys. Start for the second floor. Don't know again, guys, you know, so we can't really work and use the camera because the place is situated. So yeah, we'll just give you guys a clip like whenever we finish, you understand? Yes, guys, so they are gone, you know, I'll get the thing done. These are nice, guys. They're nice. I'm telling you. Yeah, man, so the basement there. Get sharp on that. Sharpen up, clean up the place and all. We'll line up cars, you know. Line up cars. Good clean. So we'll close off now, guys, till tomorrow. Yes, guys, all that one. Them big posts, you know, them are going to do the decking, because you know we're going to put a deck right around the house, guys. So getting there. You know, we have a little fork to drive and lift up the things and yes, guys, so getting there, guys. Guys, tomorrow is the next day. Well side, so tomorrow now we know we don't come back to work until Monday, so very good, guys. That's a good look. We're going on good. Okay, guys, so the material them come, guys. That's the way them come this way, so you have to follow instruction and pull them by the parcel. You notice, guys, you know, see how the parcel and all them come. So the material them come, so we have to, you understand, guys, so you understand, so we have to just check them, guys, as how them come and use them as how the parcel come, the amount of board, you know, guys, the board them come limited, so you know we can't spoil no board, guys. We have to do some good cuttings to make sure, so that's why you see me take up the cutting and say, you know, stick by the cutting because we can't make no mistake, guys. If 10 piece of boat we go somewhere, guys, them send the dead 10 piece. That's how the plan go for the house. Them plan out the material and everything, so we can't make no mistake, you understand, guys? So if you notice, all of them come. Was the first floor, was the second floor, was the deck, you know, basement. That's where everything come right over. So guys, you know, we're go out now, guys. So alright, see you tomorrow again, guys, with the next update. So every day I go along, guys. You know, I remember it's my first experience building a house from scratch in America, so it's a good experience, guys. I really appreciate this experience. You know, at least you advance to your trade, you advance in the construction, you advance more, so it's a good look, guys. Give God thanks, you know, God is the greatest. Yeah, so you don't know it go. So big up all them subscribers, them all who watch my video, guys, and now watch the video, like up the video, guys. You know, so now watch it, just press the like, man. Nothing for press the like, cause sometimes, you know, you have 1,000 people watch the video, guys, and all 7 person like it. Come on, guys, man, like up the video. This is a happy moment. This is a good experience if you really see. You understand? We get the opportunity to build a house from scratch, guys, in America. We must feel proud of ourselves, guys. So like up the video, guys. Alright, guys, have a blessed weekend. I'm out.